Are you tired of your veggie peeler being rusty or dull? I'm Gina with WTI, and I had had enough of that. I've been using this stainless steel peeler that I got from Gourmet Easy. This is so sharp, and I appreciate that it can be used either peeling towards you or away from you, and I can use it to still peel my apple out into a big ring. I love that I was able to use this on everything from potatoes to peeling the rind off of citrus, and it peels in thin layers, so you're not wasting food. I also appreciated that because when I was peeling a pear, which is on the softer side, it didn't demolish the fruit. This peeler feels really good in my hand. It's very comfortable. And even though I'm right-handed, this could be used by a left-handed person too. This is the kind of peeler that you will own for years and years to come because it's just so well made. It would make the perfect gift for the person who loves to cook in your life, or just get it for yourself because you are going to want to have it for everything that you need to peel. And that's my point of view.